In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite crashing when launching. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you multiple methods to fix any possible issues attributed to Fortnite launching on PC. The first one, and by far the one that works for most people, is to go over to your Epic Games Store launcher, go into your library, and right-click Fortnite. In here, go over to the drop-down menu, select Manage, and verify the integrity of the game files. What this is going to do is scan all the files from your Fortnite installation. If it detects that any files are missing or corrupted and they are critical to run the game, they are going to be re-downloaded. So just click this option and you will notice that the Downloads tab will pop up and a read will start. Like I said, reading all the files of your Fortnite game installation. Once it is done, it is going to tell you whether or not it had to reacquire any files critical to run the game. In my case, all the files were fine, so I don't have to reacquire or update anything. If you are missing any files or any of your Fortnite installation files were corrupted, they are going to be re-downloaded and you can try relaunching the game. It is by far the simplest fix. Another thing to check inside of the Manage tab is to turn on auto updates. Sometimes, even though you might think that you are running the latest version of the game, when you take this option on, a download will pop up automatically and all that you have to do is wait until the installation is complete. As you might be aware, you will not be able to play Fortnite if you are running an outdated version of the game, but usually this isn't the issue because update checks are constant and they will happen once you launch the game at any time. Now, some multiple other methods that you can follow are: first, make sure that your graphics drivers are up to date. I have an AMD GPU, so by right-clicking my desktop, I can go over to the AMD software where I can check for driver and software updates. You will see that my status says that my GPU is up to date running the latest graphics driver available, so I don't have to update anything, meaning that my graphics driver is good to go and I can run Fortnite or any other game without any issues. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, you can do the same through GeForce Experience, the desktop application, or through the NVIDIA website. By having the latest version of the graphics drivers, this is going to fix any issues attributed to most games. Now, the last thing to check is to go over into the Task Manager or any antivirus or security software that you have. Make sure that Fortnite and especially the Easy Anti-Cheat software that they use are not being blocked. What I'm trying to say is that if the Easy Anti-Cheat software or Fortnite are blocked from running, you will not be able to initialize the game properly. Both need to be running without any interruptions, and if they are being blocked for whatever reason, maybe security, maybe Windows thinks they are harmful, you will not be able to play Fortnite. So, I hope any of these methods that I show you during this video are going to help you fix any issues that you might have attributed to launching Fortnite. If this video helped you fix Fortnite crashing when launching, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.